Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a canon on cello. A musical canon is a piece where two or more parts play the exact same melody, but they start at different times, creating a beautiful overlapping effect. First, ensure both cellists are perfectly tuned. Then, find a comfortable playing position, making sure you can clearly hear your partner. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful and harmonious performance. Now, let's focus on the first part. The initial cellist starts the melody, setting the pace and character for the entire piece. It's vital to play with clear articulation and excellent intonation, making each note sing. Use a consistent bow speed and pressure to produce a beautiful, even tone. Practice this part slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, to build confidence and accuracy before the second part enters. Next, the second cellist enters, typically after a set interval, like 2 or 4 measures, playing the exact same melody. Your entry must be precise, aligning perfectly with the first player's tempo and rhythmic pulse. Listen intently to their dynamics and articulation, aiming to mirror their sound. This creates the characteristic overlapping effect of a canon, where the voices chase each other harmoniously. Practice your entry point many times. Finally, for a truly successful canon, focus on blending and ensemble. Both cellists must maintain a consistent tempo, listening actively to each other to stay perfectly in sync. Adjust your dynamics so that neither part overpowers the other, creating a balanced and rich texture. Use subtle cues like eye contact to communicate and anticipate changes. This collaborative effort will result in a cohesive and musically expressive performance, delighting your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.